Hi, this is the Price Action Analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to review a cryptocurrency that I've had on the model portfolio for at least a week. This is Verge XVG. So before I go into an analysis, I just want to show you what has happened on our end. So in terms of my evening update that I send out to subscribers every evening from the 18th of July, I've had Verge on the list of cryptocurrencies that are getting close to ideal entry zones and ideal entry alerts. So on the 18th I said price is currently at the low of a second leg down. Substantial strength here would signal an entry trigger. You can wait for it. So the 18th was here. So that's where that comment was made. And then yesterday it went out and it said price is currently at the low of the second leg down. Substantial strength here would signal an entry trigger. You can buy here in anticipation of the break. That was last night. So that was the 23rd. It was last night, so it was actually, I don't know why the dates aren't aligning, but it was actually there that was made. And so today you can see that it's actually broken out. And in addition to that, I sent an email out telling subscribers that that I was switching out of ZRX and going into XVG. So I actually did that last night because that looked like it, you know, the break was high probability there. So that's what happened today. So I'm just pointing that out because if you know, that's the type of thing that you will get with the subscriber service. You're going to get those notifications. There's a model portfolio of cryptos, and then if you don't hold those, if you hold the crypto, then you'll kind of have commentary as to what's happening with it. If you don't hold the crypto and you want to get it in future, then you'll get alerts for when I think it's a good time to get in. So I mean, that's happened with Verge. So I'm just gonna sort of do another analysis of Verge. So again, in its early history, it had quite a high price run, and it's gradually come down, similar to most coins that we've looked at. And so the positive thing here is that this consolidation period's been relatively lengthy, and then you had this breakout on substantial volume, which is a positive. And it's been retracing for a while, so I've been watching that retrace. And so within that retrace, I've kind of, you know, we've been able to frame it up on the top and on the bottom here. And then I had zones marked for, you know, with this price action here, I'm looking at this wick. I'm also looking at these levels of previous highs and areas of air. There was one down here, but it's, you know, it's not unlikely to get down there. So that, you know, that kind of would have been my level. This is kind of, you know, last ditch effort. Like if it starts to push down through there, it would probably come off the portfolio list. So basically within this area, all I'm looking for is substantial buying. And so, you know, we didn't necessarily see it here before the break, but as you get these wicks forming and then, you know, you get attempts to go higher, and then it doesn't, it goes lower, and you get wicks, and you get these buying bars. It starts to look to me as though the pressure's mounting towards the upside, and it's going to break out here. So there was another sort of failed attempt, but it's pushing higher. And so today you've got the break, and you've got volume starting to increase. So tomorrow, if we can get another buying bar there and another volume spike, then that will help our cause. The other thing I'd want to mention here is, you know, this, now that it's break, it's still, that's not a guarantee that price is going to get to the projected thing, and my projection for the price run is going to look like that. So, you know, I'm projecting price to push through this previous high based on this previous run up. But having said that, the fact that this is pushed up today, it's not a guarantee. Like, there's nothing guaranteed in trading. So, you know, price could roll over and go down here. Anything's possible in this game. It's just the breakout looked like it was the high probability event given all of this context. And it has broken out. And the fact that it's broken out, you know, like that makes it more probable that price will push up. So, you know, again, is that 100% chance that happens? No. So we have to always be ready to think, all right, if price does push against us here, what are we going to do if it gets down here? Like, where would we expect other buying? You know, if price kind of pushes below this trend line in this area and starts to paint in red bars, you know, that's something where I would give subscribers the alert that, hey, you might want to exit this now. It looks like it's going to push lower, and I'll just keep an eye on it for another entry signal. But in terms of like anticipating breakouts, you know, because we're anticipating price is going to meet our projections, so I'm anticipating this breakout. We've got the breakout, so in terms of it doing what we're expecting, you know, it doesn't really get to look any better than that. So again, that's not a guarantee, but everything looks good so far. And like I said, I actually swapped out of ZRX and moved into Verge last night, because that, you know, that move up looked like it was going to happen quicker than a move up in ZRX. We might as well just have a look at that while we're here. So, you know, this is on the model portfolio, similar thing. You've got to push up here with volume, and then we've had a consolidation happening here, and, you know, I have these areas marked. The air here and the top of these wicks. So this is where I'm expecting to see the buying happen. This is also the bottom trend line of this pennant. So I'm expecting the buying to happen there. You know, if you want to try to get in early, you can buy there. But I'd probably wait for a buying bar to step in there. But the thing is, last night this looked really weak, and I had a position in this, and again, this is in the model portfolio, so eventually I expected to push up higher, but Verge looked like it was ready to go, you know, sooner than this was going to push up, so I've swapped one for the other. I still like the look of that. It just, you know, you might get a buying bar tomorrow, but it might also, you know, it might also sort of oscillate here for a while, or test down and leave a wick and then push up. So the point is, the Verge looked like it was going to move sooner. So that's why I wanted to be in Verge last night to take advantage of this. So hopefully this keeps going, and we'll see. But yeah, my projected move is to eventually get past this high. So Verge is trading at 7. Bitcoin, and the previous high that we're looking at is 104 or 10.4 if I'm calling that 7. So yeah, now we'll just wait and see. So again, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're interested in getting alerts like the ones I've talked about as part of the subscriber service, and please have a look at the description in this video. It'll explain how to set that up. And also, as part of that service, like, you have direct access to me through email, so you can ask me any questions or have me do any reviews or anything like that. And as a subscriber, you'll of course take precedence. Sorry, not precedence, priority. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate your support. See you in the next one.